If you live in Boise, chances are you have a lot of experience with snow and ice. You also know that your roof is one of the most important parts of your home when it comes to keeping the weather out. While you may not think as an essential part of the house, consider, a single tree branch or shingle can cause thousands of dollars in damage and a leak can lead to black mold growth. One of a house's most crucial components is the roof. It keeps the house weatherproof and the residents warm and dry. A well-maintained roof will last for many years, but if it is not properly cared for, it can develop problems that can lead to leaks, drafts, and even collapse. Homeowners in Boise should be aware of the importance of keeping their investments in good condition. With the city's cold winters and hot summers, they are subject to a lot of wear and tear. Inspecting at least once a year is advised to look for any damage or potential problems. If you see any missing shingles or cracks in the roofing material, be sure to have them repaired as soon as possible to avoid further damage. It is also important to keep gutters and downspouts clean and free of debris.